Opening scene, cinematic shots of the Lamborghini Revuelto driving on winding roads. Narrator, you. Welcome to Automax. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because at RPM Studio, this is where performance lives and legends are tested. Today, we're not just reviewing a car, we're stepping into the future of Italian performance. This is the Lamborghini Revuelto, the Raging Bull reborn as a V12 hybrid. And let me tell you, it's not just a car, it's an event. Scene, exterior cinematic shots, aggressive revs. So let's not waste a second. Just look at this thing. The design is an evolution of everything Lamborghini has stood for: low, wide, razor-sharp, and unapologetically loud, visually and literally. Inspired by aerospace engineering, the lines slice through the air like a fighter jet, with every vent, crease, and duct serving a function. Those Y-shaped LED DRLs are more than just headlights. They're a declaration of war against subtlety. From the front, it's pure aggression. The wide stance, massive air intakes, and angular nose scream performance. Move to the side, and it's all carbon fiber, low-profile tires, and those iconic scissor doors that open like wings. And around back, oh man, the exposed V12 engine sits like a jewel under glass, flanked by dual hexagonal exhausts and an active rear wing that adjusts in real time. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Scene shift, interior cabin shots, slow pans over seats, dashboard, controls, step inside, and the madness continues. The cabin is a cockpit, driver-focused, futuristic, and unapologetically Lamborghini. There's a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster in front of you, a massive 8.4-inch vertical touchscreen in the center, and a passenger display so your co-pilot can keep up with the insanity too. The whole thing feels like sitting in a spaceship. Alcantara, carbon fiber, laser-cut finishes. Every inch is built to thrill. Even the steering wheel has gone fighter jet mode. Toggle switches, drive mode selectors, paddle shifters that feel like weapon triggers. It all contributes to that raw mechanical feel that's becoming rare in today's digital age. And did I mention the seats? Carbon shells wrapped in leather and Alcantara. Supportive, sculpted, and surprisingly adjustable. Lambo didn't just make it fast, they made it livable. Well, sort of. There's still barely any trunk space, but hey, if you're buying this, practicality wasn't your top concern. Scene, driving shots, dynamic performance visuals, engine roar. But let's get to the real reason you're here. Performance. Because the Revuelto is Lamborghini's most powerful production car ever. Under that sculpted rear deck is a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, now paired with not one, not two, but 3 electric motors. Together, they pump out a mind-bending 1,001 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. We've officially entered 4-digit territory. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour?